In this tutorial, we will discuss how to amend a permit. Permit amendment means that a permit has already been issued to WSSC and information needs to be modified based on the changes made by either the principal master or someone else. An example could be the scope of work has changed. Please log into your ePermitting account as usual. Click Log On, enter your email address and password, then click Log On again. On your home screen under Long Form Permits, you will see Modify or Amend an Issued Permit. Please select this option. You will then be brought to your permit amendment page. Select the field either residential or non-residential, being the same type as the permit being amended. Change any other information on the screen as applicable to the best of your knowledge. Also, enter as much information as you can to expedite your amendment process. Please explain any further details in the given fields. Please also note that the ePermitting system cannot save an in-progress permit amendment application. You will either need to complete the application at this time or reapply at another time. Please also note that while creating a permit amendment, you will only be entering additions and subtractions of fixtures. Once you have entered the information, click Next. Please make any changes here as applicable from your original permit. You will have a plumbing and gas fixture and appliance grid. It is very similar to the original permit one. Please note that while creating a permit amendment, you will only be entering additions and subtractions of fixtures. For example, select the icon next to the field you would like to enter in. In this case, I will select grease trap. 1 grease trap is needed on floor 1. I will enter 1 in the floor 1 field. You will now see that 1 has been added to the grease trap fixture. Please do this for any applicable amending fields based on your original permit. Once you have completed amending your permit fixtures, click Next. You will now be asked to search for the permit that you are amending. Click Search, and please enter the permit number. Click Search again. The permit you are amending will appear. Please make sure that it is the correct one. Once you have confirmed that it is correct, check in the checkbox field and click Add Selected. Now click Next. WSSC highly encourages you to read the instructions before selecting a contact. The person applying for the permit amendment, the logged on user, is automatically added as a contact to the permit amendment. Therefore, you do not need to select yourself. Attention proxy users. You must add your principal master as a contact to this permit amendment. And please note, the logged on user must be the principal master or a proxy of the principal master on the original permit for which this permit amendment is being submitted. Also note that all fees for this permit amendment will be assessed against the original permit, and only the existing contacts on the original permit will be able to make an online payment. Also note that contacts for original permits can pay the fees. Once you have read and understood how to select a contact, please do so now. You will now be asked to add an attachment. To add any supporting documentation, please do so by selecting Add Attachment. Then click Upload File. Select the file of your choice, then click Open. Your document has now been attached. You may enter any additional notes at this time under the Notes field. Once you have completed these steps, click Finish. Your data has been submitted and is now being processed. The following identification number has been generated. Please click OK to exit the dialog box.